Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip combos using a punch transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 11th set of combos for two-handed flips, which use a punch transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 2.2. If you have not, you can click right there for that entire level. Now, a punch transition is anytime you land a trick with 2 feet at the same time and then take off into another trick with 2 feet at the same time. First combo is going to be a pop round off to a slant spring. So you're gonna do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. And from there, your subs throw your slant spring. And the second combo is going to be slant spring to a slant spring. So you're gonna do your first slant spring and land in a backside stance. From there, you're gonna take off with both feet at the same time into your second slant spring. Now, since we're only focusing on the transition of these two moves, it doesn't matter if you start with a spin or not in the beginning of the combos. Here's some tips that can help you out. Make sure that you're staying on your toes when you jump and when you land. Make sure that you're focusing on keeping your arms up, pushing through your shoulders rather than just locking out your elbows. And always make sure to keep your eyes open. Also, if you want to get a little bit more practice with a punch transition, you can go ahead and click on this tutorial right there, and that'll help you out with that. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz Tricking, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over the last set of combos for two-handed flips, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.